Welcome to Burrowes.com, your go-to source for the latest in smart home technology. I'm Paul Burrowes, and I'm passionate about helping you transform your home into a haven of comfort, convenience, and cutting-edge innovation. Today, we're diving into the top 8 new smart home features that are revolutionizing the way we live. From energy-saving solutions to voice-activated assistants that seem straight out of a science fiction movie, these advancements are changing the game for homeowners everywhere. So, buckle up and get ready to explore the exciting world of smart homes with me. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just starting to dip your toes into the world of connected living, this video is packed with valuable insights and practical tips to help you make informed decisions for your home. Imagine a thermostat that does more than just regulate temperature. It learns your schedule and adjusts itself automatically. That's the power of smart thermostats. These intelligent devices are designed to optimize your home's energy consumption without sacrificing your comfort. By learning your daily routines and preferences, smart thermostats can automatically adjust the temperature throughout the day. They can lower the heat while you're at work, saving you money on energy bills, and then warm up the house just before you arrive home, so you're greeted with a cozy atmosphere. Plus, many models offer remote control via smartphone apps, giving you the flexibility to manage your home's climate from anywhere. Have you ever wished you could control your home with just your voice? Well, with voice-activated assistants, that's a reality. These innovative devices act as the central hub for all your smart home gadgets, allowing you to control everything from lighting and temperature to music and entertainment with simple voice commands. Imagine saying, "Hey Siri, please dim the lights and play some jazz music," and watching as your home instantly transforms into a relaxing oasis. Voice-activated assistants can also provide you with information, set reminders, make calls, and even control compatible appliances, making your daily life smoother and more convenient. Gone are the days of fumbling with light switches. Smart lighting systems offer a world of possibilities, allowing you to customize your home's ambiance with ease. From setting the perfect brightness for reading to creating a vibrant party atmosphere, these systems put you in complete control of your lighting. With smart bulbs and switches, you can program different lighting scenes, adjust colors, and even sync your lights with your music or movies for an immersive entertainment experience. And the best part? You can control it all from your smartphone or with voice commands, making it easier than ever to create the perfect lighting for any occasion. Peace of mind is priceless, and home security cameras provide just that. These intelligent devices act as an extra set of eyes on your property, deterring potential intruders and providing you with real-time video footage of any activity. Equipped with features like motion detection, night vision, and two-way audio, home security cameras allow you to monitor your home remotely from your smartphone, tablet, or computer. You'll receive instant alerts if any suspicious activity is detected, and you can even speak through the camera to deter intruders or communicate with family members. Say goodbye to fumbling for keys. Smart locks offer a seamless blend of convenience and security, allowing you to control access to your home with ease. These innovative locks eliminate the need for traditional keys, replacing them with keypads, smartphone apps, or even fingerprint scanners. Imagine being able to unlock your front door for a guest while you're away, or receiving notifications when your kids arrive home safely. Smart locks offer these features and more, providing you with greater control over who has access to your home and when. Plus, many models integrate with other smart home devices, allowing you to automate tasks like turning on the lights when you unlock the door. Thanks for tuning in. I hope this deep dive into the world of smart home technology has been insightful and inspiring. Remember, these advancements are designed to make our lives easier, more comfortable, and more secure. Make sure to visit Burrowes.com for more updates and tips on smart home technology. We're constantly exploring the latest innovations and providing you with the information you need to make informed decisions for your home. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. We're passionate about helping you create a smart home that perfectly suits your needs and enhances your lifestyle. Until next time, stay tech savvy and keep exploring the possibilities of a smarter future.